Hi, I'm Rico, motorcycle enthusiast. Meron po akong shop and then we cater motorcycles and cars for painting and customize.
How long have you been riding?
I've started riding when I was 12 years old and then I started racing in 14 and up to now I'm still racing in the motorcycle community.
So what makes you ride still up to now?
Up to now, kasi passion ko as a shop owner, kaya nagra-ride pa rin ako ng motorcycle. Siguro para tanggal stress every week or ano, para yun, nakakapag-ride ako with my fellow workers.
Paano mo na-discover yung tungkol sa Ubali?
Bale, siguro nung nag-walk-in ako nung last 2020 sa may Along Scout sa Quezon City. And then nakita ko yung bike na na-amaze ako kasi nakita ko na as a pocket bike, nandun na lahat yung load niya for racing bike. Kaya yun, nag-walk-in ako and then na-meet ko si Mr. Alvin Nasal. And then dinemo niya sa akin yung bike and then nag-set kami for test ride. So doon na-amaze ako kaya nag-purchase ako ng bike.
Will you recommend Ubali sa mga new riders?
Yes, I will recommend the Opale for the new riders because it's easy to use. And then for the beginners, madali siyang gamitin dahil nga meron automatic. And then para mas ma-improve nila yung skills nila.
So bakit mo binili yung Ubali?
Napanood ko kasi yung idol ko na si Valentino Rossi sa isang channel na gumagamit siya ng Opale. Kaya ni-research ko ito. And then, it's a good thing na may nakita ko isang shop na nag-walk-in ako, kaya pinurchase ko yung Opale. Gusto ko siya matupad yung pangarap ko. It's like a pro racer, like my idol na si Valentino Rossi. And then, mas mura siya rather than to buy a super bike.